Well, back at Miss D's again. Hadn't been long since I pulled that jet. Unfortunately, this time she called me telling me her tank is leaking. Let's go take a look. Matt's using the air compressor right now. Yeah, still got a little bit to go, but there's a hole right there. Yep. This thing was spraying and it just flooded this whole area. It's probably been leaking for a week. She's getting really up there. It's hard to keep up with all this stuff. Yeah, I just pulled that jet, what, 2 months ago? Now we're gonna change the tank. Put her in a bladder tank, so we won't have to worry about this air volume control and all this rust from the acid water. That's what corroded this thing. But yeah, turn it back on, Matt. Let's finish draining it out. Alright, let's cut this thing loose now that we got it drained down. At least right there on that street ale. That way we can get as close as I can once this tank's out the way. Alright, that's both sides cut, but I need to cut right here, get this pipe out the way. I can always bring it back, get it completely out the way. And this is a raised part of the house, so that just goes right down on gravel underneath the floor. Okay, man. Actually, I'm gonna lean it over and let some of the water go out, because it's just gonna get all in here anyway. Better to let it run down here in the ground. That's where it was leaking anyway. This house actually floods. It's flooded twice, during Katrina and during Ida. We got about a foot or two of water in here. Alright, I think that's pretty good. I'll let a little bit more out. Just so when we move it. Alright. Roll it out here, Matt. Oh, yeah. Get that out the way. I don't want to lean it too much because. Dang it. Here I am trying to video this while I'm dragging it out. So just don't rock it too far side to side. Yeah. Actually, get it over there by the lip and I'll drop it down to you. But give me the gauge side. Okay. I mean, oh yeah, she's on Pete's. Yeah, so you have to redo this thing. Sure? Alright, I can lift up on it a little bit. Alright. Yeah. Oh, man. A little bit of a lean to it in here. Okay. Let me go get the fittings. Alright, got the tank in place. I'm going to have to reconnect it here, tee up, go over, reconnect back there. So that won't be too bad. I wish it was just laid out a little bit better. Maybe like the pump turn that way. Be easier to work on the switch and prime it. And the pipe just comes straight across. Dang, I almost want to do that now. Because then I could put this straight up my tee. Go straight over. Let's see what we can do. Alright, that looks a little bit better. Before it was coming out over here, coming down here, going around the tank, going in it and out it, and then the 2 valves right there going into the lines in the house to the water heater. Oh, don't forget our air compressor mount. But I was able to turn the tank over and got plenty of room now. So it's further back. I can literally walk over here to the pump now, whereas before I could only open this door and barely get in here. So that's a lot better. Still kind of limited on the flooring situation. Probably could have used another piece of plywood, but that is treated plywood, and it's only sinking down because there was 80 gallons of water weight on top of it since the tank was waterlogged. There won't be nearly that much weight now. Not even, what, 30 or 40 pounds. So let this dry for a little bit and she'll be fixed up. Finally got her a little reliable system. And this motor is a 84, this MSE pump. So it's almost 40 years old. Hey. So I think it's one of the oldest ones I'm working on right now. The oldest one I've seen in a while. But yeah, it's in good shape now. Thanks for watching.